Are you looking for the best cameras for vlogging? In this video we will look at some of the best cameras for vlogging on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. DJI's latest phone gimbal, the Osmo Mobile 6, uses a clever folding system and magnetic phone clamp to pack down to a pocketable size. Add to that a solid battery life, impressive performance and a neat built-in extending selfie stick. The Osmo Mobile 6 updates the design with a new ergonomic handle, an updated clamp to hold larger phones, even when in a case, and a built-in status panel to check battery level and the gimbal mode it's in. There's also a side wheel for zooming in and out and switching from automatic to manual focus control. The stabilizer is a great choice for mobile creatives wanting to shoot better-looking video without carrying a big camera setup with them. Number 2. Logitech Stream Cam. Whether you're looking to do a quick how-to from your computer, want to stream yourself while you game or anything in between, the simplest option for your vlog is a compact camera that doesn't need to move from your computer. Yes, we're speaking about the Noble webcam. True, you won't be able to move around too much, but this vlog camera is pretty much a plug-and-play experience because you don't need an encoder. Our top pick for vlogging is the $125 Logitech Stream Cam because it is purpose-built for streaming at up to 1080p at 60 fps. And this cheap vlogging camera is designed to be mounted horizontally or vertically. It's worth noting that because of the increased demand for webcams, many camera makers including Canon, Nikon, GoPro, Sony, Panasonic and others have made it possible to use some of their camera models as a webcam without additional equipment. Check out our list of best webcams for more options. Number 3. Sony ZV1. Sony turned its RX100 Enthusiast Compact into a good camera for vlogging with faster autofocus and a quick way to defocus backgrounds. It gives you a big image sensor and a bright lens for better video quality even when you're working with low light. This Sony camera has a flip-out LCD screen so you can see yourself when you're shooting. It has a hand grip and mics better suited for selfies. And the Sony ZV1 has a clean HDMI output, too, so you don't have camera settings and info in your video if you output to an external recorder, encoder or display. See it at Sony. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix DMC GH5. This Panasonic Lumix GH5 mirrorless digital camera might be shaped like a traditional SLR camera, but the GH5 was built for video. You'll find all the features you need in a camera for vlogging, and then some, regardless of your experience level, and it's all wrapped up in a splash, dust, and freeze-proof body. Panasonic released its update, the GH6, earlier this year. It, too, is aimed at video shooters, offering a greater range of resolutions and quality settings compared to the GH5. However, it comes with a steep $2,200 price. The GH5 should continue to meet the needs of many, and with a lower $1,298 price, you'll have room in your budget to get a lens or two also. Read our Panasonic Lumix DMC GH5 hands-on. Number 5. Lume Cube Panel Mini. The compact Lume Cube Panel Mini gives you a bright boost when you don't have enough light but still fits in a pocket. It puts out a lot of light that's adjustable in 5% increments, and the color is adjustable too, from 3200K to 5600K in 100K increments, all done with a small toggle wheel on the side. It charges via its USB-C port and can run for up to 14 hours, just not at 100%, and it can be plugged in and run that way as well. It comes with a diffuser to help soften its light and the compact, lightweight design and a cold shoe mount so you can just slide it on your camera and start shooting. It also has standard tripod mounts on the bottom and side. The VC kit, which stands for video conferencing, comes with a small suction cup mount that you can easily stick to your phone, tablet or display for brightening your face or subject without having to reposition the light every time you move your camera. See it at Lume Cube. Number 6. Rode VideoMicro. An external microphone is a must for high-quality vlogging. When it comes to mobile or on-camera mics, I lean toward Rode's microphones, such as the SmartLav Plus and the VideoMicro, shown here, mounted on a DSLR. Number 7. Blue Yeti Microphone. Whether it's the long-standing favorite Yeti or its new $99 Ember XLR mic, Blue continues to make some of the best studio and live streaming mics for the money. Read our Blue Yeti USB review. Number 8. Atomos Ninja V Portable Monitor and Recorder. Monitors like the Ninja V not only give you a better view of what you're shooting, including seeing your framing when you're working solo, but also let you continuously record to their built-in storage. The Ninja V, for example, has an internal 1 TB SSD so you can record up to 150 minutes of 4K video. Along with monitoring and recording, it also supports playback so you can instantly make sure you got the shot you wanted. And it's not just for cameras, you can also use the Ninja V for video game capture and playback at 4K resolution in HDR.